Bonjour, hi, and welcome to my apartment atelier. I've long been enamored with kilts and pleated skirts, so when I found this wool fabric at a local thrift shop, I immediately knew that I wanted to make it into a long pleated skirt. It actually found its way to me in two pieces. The original fabric was split not quite down the middle, so while the selvage edges line up, the raw edges don't. It's only a 2 centimeter difference though, and I don't want to risk mangling the longer piece by attempting to tear off such a narrow strip, but I think I can work around this problem. I've only made one kilt before, but I know that pattern matching is essential in a garment like this, and that I have a lot of painstaking prep work ahead to achieve that, including basting this down within an inch of its life before even thinking about sewing it permanently. I should note that this is not going to show you all the steps that would go into making a kilt, firstly because it isn't a kilt, and secondly because I won't be doing several things that are normally done in proper kilt making anyway. If you're interested in learning more about kilt making, I highly recommend The Art of Kilt Making by Barbara Tewksbury and Elsie Stoymyer, along with its supplementary guide on making a box-pleated kilt. If you check the description box down below, I've included a link to more information about this book, as well as some other resources that I found useful the first time that I made a kilt. Now, let's see how this goes. Every time I work on a hand sewing project, I feel like I level up in patience, especially on a project like this, where I know that cutting corners won't give me the results that I want. While this skirt isn't perfect, I'm still incredibly happy with how it turned out. Even though I didn't make a kilt, this project has given me more motivation to continue pursuing proper kilt making for my own interest and pleasure. And who knows, maybe in the future there'll be a project diary video for maybe a traditional kilt or perhaps a utility kilt. I hope you enjoyed your visit today. À la prochaine!